Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Shadow's looking pretty filthy today. Haven't washed this car in a long time. Last meet that I went with Jose, I took them all dirty. I didn't care. But I'm gonna give them a little wash today, and I'm gonna be painting these filthy brake calipers. See how they're starting to fade? Yeah, they're ugly. Check out the other side. So I got it all planned out. Got some stickers from eBay. I don't know if you can see that. For the front, for the rear, just gotta cut them up. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash, and maybe that's 2002. It's really dirty. But yeah. So let's get to it. So I just washed the Evo. I gave the S2000 a little wash because both cars were looking pretty filthy. And now I'm just gonna go to Pep Boys and buy the paint for the brake calipers, maybe some primer and something to clean them up really good before spraying them. So let's go. Pep Boys. Alright guys, so I just came back. I got the primer. I'm going to be painting the calipers red again since it is the OEM color. Kind of liked it. I got used to it. I was going to change it to like a greenish color, but I couldn't find the actual like highlighted green or neon green. I don't know what you call it. But anyways, I got the red one and some gloss clear. And all of these paints are heat resistant, so they can it says withstand heat up to 500 Fahrenheit, so should be good. They also had some simple green, so to clean the calipers really good before painting them. So now time to go back and get started. I got the car jacked up. I got the lug nuts loose on both sides. So just gonna put you guys on my little GoPro headstand thing so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, here it is. Still kind of warm. Coilovers. It's kind of dirty actually. Let's start cleaning. Alright, so there's some type of plastic peeling off. I'm assuming it's the old clear coat that was on the brake caliper. So I'm gonna have to sand this down to make sure I get everything off. I'm not gonna go too crazy in the back because nobody can really see back there. If I wanted them perfect, I would just take off the whole brake caliper and do it the right way, but just going for a quick little touch up. See, look at this old clear coat. So I'm just gonna sand everything down with I found 320 grit. It might be too rough. It might not. Who cares? I'm just gonna start sanding down and see what it looks like. I just want to get everything off, cleaned, primer it, and add some new paint. Should be looking good. Alright, well, I think I'm just about done. I sanded down the caliper, a bunch of paint. Look at my hand, it's red. A bunch of paint was coming off. So I'm not tripping. I just gave it a little quick sanding. Should be enough for the paint to grab on. I was gonna primer it, but I'm not doing the back. I'm just gonna leave it, so it's gonna be red. You won't be able to tell. So I'm just making sure everything's nice and clean. Before I lay some paint on it. Trust me, you guys won't even tell. And it looked like a brand new caliper. Okay, so I'm gonna use the trash bag technique that I've seen people do on YouTube. I guess you make a little hole on the bag and then you fit the caliper into there, squeeze it, cover everything up except for the caliper, and I guess that's how you do it in your own driveway or garage. So take one last good look at it. Actually works, so I need to cover up the coilover. But yeah, that's it. Let's see how this comes out. Oh, all right, so it's been 10 minutes from the first 2 light coats, and now I'm gonna apply some more because you can still see the letters, and that's not a sticker, by the way, even though it looks like it. It's looks like paint. They are the original Brembos, and it was the original paint, and now I'm fucking them up. Alright guys, so So here's a sticker. You can see it. So the caliper is dry. It's only been half an hour though, but you can touch it. So I'm gonna lay the sticker on here, and then I'm gonna throw some clear coat on it. That way it seals together. And let's see how it comes out. There it is. Damn, that looks freaking nice. Right on the dot. Now I'm just gonna add some clear coat and seal it. I really like how it came out. You guys ready? Start spraying this sheet. Damn! Check it out. Shiny, shiny. Hell yeah. That's exactly how I wanted it to come out. Brand new. God damn. I don't know why I didn't do this before. God damn. It came out pretty good. Check it out. Fishy's on it. Alright, he's leaving. You guys hear that? The ceiling.
Oh, right. Oh, did you see that before? I didn't see that before.